Hey everyone! If you're looking for the best deals on memory cards for your GoPro Hero 12, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to look at some of the biggest discounts available on high-performance microSD cards. Let's dive in. First up, we have the SanDisk Extreme Pro 512GB. This card is perfect for capturing 4K UHD video and fast-action photography, thanks to its impressive read speeds of up to 170 MB per s and write speeds up to 90 MB per s. The original price was higher, but now with a 14% discount, it's available for just $50. This is a fantastic deal for one of the best performing cards on the market. Next we have the PNY Premier X 512GB. Known for its reliability and performance, this card offers read speeds up to 100 MB per s and write speeds up to 90 MB per s. It's great for recording 4K videos and transferring large files quickly. Originally more expensive, it's now available with a 25% discount, bringing the price down to just $29. This is a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality. The Lexar Professional 1066 x 512GB is another excellent choice, delivering read speeds up to 160 MB per s and write speeds up to 120 MB per s. This card is designed to handle the high data rates of 4K video recording efficiently. Originally priced higher, it's now available with a 29% discount, bringing the price down to just $49. This is a substantial saving on a high-quality card. Finally, we have the Lexar Professional 1066 x 1TB, offering double the storage capacity. This card is ideal for those who need a lot of space for their recordings. It ensures smooth recording and quick transfers. Originally much more expensive, it's now available with a 38% discount, bringing the price down to just $89. This is an incredible deal for such a high-capacity card. These are the best discounts available on GoPro Hero 12 memory cards today. Whether you need a card for professional-level recording or just for casual use, these options offer the best performance and value for money. Make sure to grab these deals while they last.